fresh in from Amazon. Hopefully these will be the last pieces of the oil line issue. Anyway, I tried a different brand. Let's turn these things around. It is an E-Speeder, so I'm not doing Earls, I'm not doing Russell. There they are, two, number 8. AN, female, male, 90 degree. Alright, so here's the running list. Alright, this was on the card ages ago. It doesn't fit. I've got one of these on the card just temporarily. It does work, but clanks against the body, so these two pieces are going to go. So I'm going to have two of these that I'm not going to use. I tried this guy. This is a steel port adapter. These are aluminum port adapters. This is a steel port adapter. So you got two of these. These guys don't work. This is about the right size for the port. It's got the wrong thread pattern, so that was a waste of money. This guy, this has got the right size on the port adapter, but it's the wrong diameter. This is the biggest diameter with the right thread pattern, so this is about as close as I can get. Doesn't work, it's steel, didn't cost too terribly much. These guys were pricey, useless. This guy was a NPT adapter. It's got the right threads, but this one wouldn't seal properly, so I've got two of these. One's on the car. It gets to go. These came with the oil cooler. They do have the O-ring, so I'm going to swipe the O-ring, take that. But despite the fact that they came with the cooler, they have the wrong thread pattern on them, so they suck. I don't know why they would have done that, but they don't work. So they don't work. That gets us to what does work. I've got to put this as a straight through hose end. This will be on the car, and this is where I stand. I've got the Aeroquip NPT down here with an O-ring tied into this 90 degree male female. It's not an adapter. Well, it could be an adapter. But anyway, I got two of these guys. There's one of these on the car and a hose end to replace the other one of those that's on the car. And that's going to hopefully be it, and that's where we end getting this stuff on the car. And here we are at the back end of the vehicle. So what we've summarized from earlier, this piece gets to go. That's going to get replaced with two pieces over there. This is the correct hose end. Alright, this is an incorrect hose end. This guy's going to go. That hose end disappears. That Aeroquip adapter down there, that gets to stay. That's a good one right there. Get my finger. Focus. There we go. That's the right adapter. So that will work. And there it is. All the fittings are in. Still super tight right here. I'm going to have to, at some point, I think, pull the fan shroud and actually slide the oil cooler down about 1/4 of an inch at this end. At the other end, I'm fine over here. This works fine. Alright, next thing we got to do, see if we can't fire this up and check for oil leaks. Alright, oil leaks and clanking. Alright, that looks like it's got clearance and isn't going to clank. Yeah, it's got clearance. It's not going to clank. Let's look at it from this side. Yeah, that's fine. That's the only thing I hear clanking is that right there. Alright, how we doing for oil leaks? Looking good. No, hang on a second. I'm not seeing anything there. That's been solid. Nothing weird happening down there. Hose end's looking good. A little leftover from earlier. That's looking good. Where are we clanking? Got any clanking? Anything rubbing? right here at the end. I'm not running the springs. The solid spacers are making a little tiny bit of noise. That's not going to hit when we run it up a little bit higher. That's good. What's this look like? Okay, that bounces away over there. Alright, looks good over there. Still got no oil leaking out. That's good. It's dry. All right, looks good for now.